So I'm gonna show y'all my strategy on the charts, and it's super simple, so watch the end of the video. And these are my back-tested results from March of 2025 off a $100,000 account. So let's get into it, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. So I trade the 4-hour PO3, and I always start off on the higher time frame and work my way down. That way I have a bias for the day. Now, I always use the weekly PO3, and I trade NQ and ES. Now, with the weekly PO3, if I'm expecting price to have a bearish week, it'll either be a Monday high, a Tuesday high, or a Wednesday high. So this is for April 1st. I see that we're trading up into a bearish fair value gap on the daily chart. So I'm either expecting a Tuesday or a Wednesday high and then a sell-off for the rest of the week. Okay, so price opened up down here April 1st, 2025 at 10 a.m. and disrespected these 15-minute bearish fair value gaps. So I'm expecting price to be bullish today and close as a bullish candle. Okay, so the 2 p.m. candle opens right here. I trade the 10 a.m. and the 2 p.m. candle. And below price, there's two 15-minute PD arrays. There's a 15-minute fair value gap and a 15-minute order block on both ES and NQ. So price on both manipulates down into these bullish fair value gaps, and now we're wanting to catch the distribution to the upside. So because we're on the 15-minute time frame, we make an execution off the 1-minute chart, and all we're looking for is now a liquidity sweep, an SMT, and a change of state of delivery. Now on ES and NQ on the 1-minute time frame, liquidity has been swept, and then the change in state level is right here on both. Now it caused a change in state of delivery, but I wouldn't enter in because there's no SMT. So after being patient for a little bit, price actually comes back down and sweeps the sell side liquidity on ES, but on NQ it doesn't, causing our 1-minute SMT. Now the change in state levels have been changed. All right, so price closes above these series of down close candles that swept liquidity. So that is my change in state. I enter in right here. Now this is a 100K account, so I risk 0.5% of it, so about $500, and I try the target of 2 RR, so this liquidity on the upside. So let's see how this plays out on both. And boom. Easy dub for a 2 RR. Now I trade this setup literally every single day. Now you won't see it 5 times a week. You'll see this setup about 3-4 times a week, but trust me, just try it. It's so simple. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and follow me for more because I post free trading sauce every day.